Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable Dolby Atmos on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do this, we need to open the settings. In the settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Then scroll down to find sound quality and effects. And if you go here, you will find Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos for gaming. Both of these options can be enabled by tapping on the slider on the right side. You can also tap on Dolby Atmos option in order to find settings. So over here, if you enable Dolby Atmos, then over here you can choose the mode, let's say it like that. So we have auto, which optimizes sound automatically for whatever you are listening to. We also have movie, which is supposed to deliver the best possible audio for films, shows, and videos. We also have music, which is of course used for music, and voice, which is supposed to make the voices loud and clear. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!